Welcome to the PMS Setup course. In this video, we will learn how to configure your organization's performance management system, or PMS, within Unova HRMS. Let's get started. When you land on the PMS Setup page, you'll see the question titled, "Do you want to use the default performance management setting?" If you select Yes, use default settings, Unova will automatically apply pre-configured PMS rules aligned with standard practices. If you select No, change settings, this option allows you to tailor various aspects such as appraisal parameters, KRA assignments, and rating systems. Customizing ensures that the performance evaluation process is aligned with your organization's unique requirements. Let's first look at the general settings. If you enable Allow Employee to set KRA, employees will be able to define their own key result areas. If you wish to restrict submissions from older appraisal cycles, disable Enable Previous KRA Submission. You can also make remarks compulsory by enabling Make Remarks Mandatory while rating. Next, you can control rollout permissions using the Rollout Appraisal Access setting and select the user groups who should have access. For more holistic appraisals, switch on 360 appraisals. You can also define the maximum allowed rating, for example, 5, and the step size, such as 1. For consistent scoring, enable rounding off of ratings without labels and set the rounding off function. Use the appraiser field ID to link appraisers correctly. The restrict fallback approval setting controls whether managers can approve on behalf of someone else. If set to Yes, then when an appraiser field is selected, the system will restrict fallback approval. In this case, only the assigned appraiser can give approval. However, if no appraiser is assigned, the approval request will automatically move to the immediate reporting manager. If needed, allow multiple approvals by enabling Enable Multiple Approvers. Next, the Release Scorecard after manager rating setting decides when scorecards become visible only after a manager has submitted their ratings. Now let's explore the advanced settings. You can also display timelines by enabling Show Financial Year text and defining the financial year for appraisals. If you want to consolidate all KRA categories into a single score, enable Club Weightage for all the categories. Enable Display KRA in Group by category format to show KRAs neatly grouped. To guide reviewers, you can add explanatory notes in the rating guide text. The Enable Import Rating feature lets you bulk upload ratings, making large-scale updates much faster. Enable Reviewer Rating to allow reviewers to rate employees, and use the Reviewer Field ID to identify them correctly. And finally, enabling Reviewer Rating Line Item wise allows reviewers to rate each line item individually, making evaluations more detailed. With Release Scorecard after reviewer rating, scorecards will only be released once reviewers finish their evaluations. For better transparency, display both self and manager ratings on the BH rating page. Automation is also available through the Auto-Populate Selected Employees Rating on BH Rating field option. Once all these settings are configured according to your organization's requirements, click on Confirm and Proceed. This finalizes your PMS setup and gets it ready for rollout. That's it! You now know how to set up the PMS process in Unova HRMS. Thank you for watching.